Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a peacock feather for Krishna Jayanthi. So this is a very easy way of making a peacock feather and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor for Krishna Jayanthi. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a green sheet of paper. So you can take any green sheet of paper you like, but I am taking dark green. So the first step is that we have to take a pencil and we have to draw a leaf-like structure on the green sheet. So I'm drawing. So we have to draw it slowly. So after we are done drawing, we have to cut this leaf-like structure out. So I'm cutting it. So we have to cut it out slowly. So be careful while using a scissor because you might cut your hands. So now I'm cutting it on the opposite side. So now, after we are done cutting, we just have to make another leaf-like structure in a smaller size, which is light green in color. So now we have a smaller sheet of paper. So you guys can cut it out. Next step is that we have to make another leaf-like structure, which is yellow in color, and the last structure should be blue. So now we just have to glue these onto the big one. So first, I'm applying some glue on the light green part. Next, I'm going to stick it onto the green part. So I'm sticking it onto the bottom part like this. So after we stick this, I'm just applying some glue on the yellow part. So now I'm going to stick it onto the light green part like this. So after we complete this, I'm going to apply some glue onto the yellow part. And we have to stick this onto the yellow part. So after we complete this, I'm taking a purple marker. You guys can also take a purple sheet of paper, but I'm just taking this marker because it is very dark in color. I'm just going to mark and draw a small circle on the bottom part like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a scissor and I'm just going to cut the paper until the middle green part so that it looks more like a peacock leaf, peacock feather. So I'm cutting it. You guys can cut it slowly. So you have to cut it all around the leaf like this. So don't cut it too much on the bottom, because if you cut it too much on the bottom, then it will not be strong enough and it will cut or break. Now I'm cutting it on the opposite side. So if you guys want, you can just cut it at the first and you can stick the other small parts after you are done cutting. So now I'm done cutting and our peacock feather is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a peacock feather and it is useful too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!